Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English podcast.
Hi, I am so happy to be here today.
Today, we have a very special topic.
Oh, what is it? Is it about food?
No, it is not about food. It is about love.
Love. Wow, that sounds very interesting and romantic.
Yes, we are talking about first love in college.
I remember my college days. They were very fun.
My story is happy, but it is also a little bit sad.
A sad love story? Tell me everything.
It all started on a sunny Monday morning at my college.
Monday? I usually hate Mondays.
Me too, but this Monday was different. I was in the library.
The library? Were you studying hard?
I was trying to study it, but then I saw her.
Who did you see? Tell me her name.
Her name was Lily. She was sitting near the window.
Was she beautiful? Did she have long hair?
She had short, dark hair and the kindest eyes I ever saw.
Did she see you looking at her?
No, she was reading a very big book. I was too shy to speak.
Oh, speaker one, you are always shy with girls.
I know, I just looked at my book and pretended to read.
Interesting. So, how did you finally talk to her?
Well, she stood up and walked past me. Then she dropped her pen.
That is like a movie. Did you pick it up?
Yes, I jumped up so fast I almost hit the table.
You are so funny. What did you say to her?
I said, "Excuse me, is this your pen?" My voice was shaking.
And what did Lily say?
She smiled and said, "Oh, thank you. You are very kind."
Wow, that is a great start. What happened next?
We started talking about the book. She loved history, just like me.
Two history lovers. That is a perfect match.
We talked for an hour. The librarian had to tell us to be quiet.
I bet everyone was looking at you two.
I didn't care. I was just happy to talk to Lily.
Did you ask for her phone number that day?
No, I was too scared, but I asked if she wanted some coffee.
And did she say yes?
She said I would love some coffee. I felt like I was flying.
I can imagine your big smile right now.
We went to a small cafe near the college. It smelled like chocolate.
What did you talk about at the cafe?
We talked about our families and our favorite movies.
Did she like the same movies as you?
Yes, we both loved old black and white movies.
That is so rare for college students. You are both very cool.
After that day, we met every afternoon in the library.
So you became best friends first.
Exactly. We studied together, ate lunch together, and laughed a lot.
Tell me a funny thing that happened during those days.
One day, we tried to cook pasta at her place. It was a disaster.
Oh no, did you burn the kitchen down?
No, but the pasta was as hard as rocks. We couldn't eat it.
So did you stay hungry?
No, we just ordered pizza and laughed for 2 hours.
That sounds like a perfect date, even with the bad pasta.
It was. That night, I knew I was in love with her.
When did you tell her? Was it a romantic moment?
It was. It was raining. We were walking under one small umbrella.
One umbrella? You were very close then.
Yes, I stopped walking and looked at her. My heart was beating fast.
What did you say? Did you say the magic words?
I said, "Lily, I really, really like you. I think I love you."
And what was her reaction? Don't keep me waiting.
She looked at me for a long time. Then she smiled and kissed my cheek.
Oh my God, that is so sweet.
She said, "I love you too, you silly boy."
So you were finally a couple. How long were you together?
We were together for 2 beautiful years in college.
2 years is a long time. You must have many memories.
Yes, we went to the beach, we went to the mountains, we grew up together.
But you said the story is also sad. What happened next?
College finished. It was time to find jobs and move away.
Oh, the real world started. That is always hard for love.
Lily got a great job in a different city. It was very far away.
And what about you? Did you have a job too?
I had a job here. We tried to stay together, but it was difficult.
Long distance is very tough. Did you talk on the phone every day?
We did, but phone calls are not the same as being together.
I agree. You can't hold hands or go for coffee over the phone.
We started to argue more. Small things became big problems.
That is so sad. Did you try to visit her?
I visited her once, but she was always busy with her new work friends.
Did you feel like you were losing her?
Yes, I felt like a stranger in her new life.
What happened on the day you broke up?
We met at the train station. It was raining again, just like the first time.
The rain is always there for the big moments, isn't it?
Yes, she looked at me and she started to cry.
Did she say it first or did you?
She said, "We're different people now. We're not the same college kids."
That must have hurt so much.
It did. I didn't want to let her go, but I knew she was right.
Did you say anything back to her?
I just said, "I want you to be happy, even if it's not with me."
Speaker 1, you are a very good person. That is very brave.
We hugged one last time. Then she got on the train and left.
Did you cry when the train pulled away?
I cried for a long time. I felt like my world was over.
Many people feel that way after their first love breaks up.
It took me a year to feel happy again. It was a very long year.
What did you do to feel better? Did you study more?
I worked a lot. I also started running and talking to my old friends.
And do you still think about Lily today?
Sometimes I don't feel sad anymore. I just feel thankful.
Thankful for what? Even if she broke your heart?
Thankful because she taught me how to love and how to be kind.
That is a beautiful way to look at it. You learned a lot.
Yes, first love is like a teacher. It prepares you for the future.
I think our listeners will really like this story.
I hope so. Love is hard, but it is also the best thing in life.
Do you have any advice for young people in love right now?
Yes, enjoy every moment, take many photos, and always be honest.
And if they break up, what should they do?
It will hurt, but you will be okay. Time heals everything.
Thank you for sharing your heart with us today, Speaker 1.
You're welcome. It was good to talk about Lily again.
Maybe she's listening to this podcast somewhere.
I hope she's happy wherever she is. She deserves it.
That is a great ending to our show today.
Remember, everyone, love is a journey, not a destination.
See you next time on the Easy English Podcast.
Goodbye and take care of your hearts.